Welcome back to Aside Hot. On top of the senior brother for the television when they inside the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. This is not the only democracy when they on top of television. Sake of say, and a show of the people, by the people, and for the people. And to show say, now the people show, and now the people go talk their mind. We go Ekiti State. Collect this call from Oga Olayinka. Oga Olayinka, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Olayinka.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
And Shukudi, good morning.
Oga Olayinka, I greet you, sir.
You see, as it's in day now, this ministerialist now, I want you come out.
Feel free.
The thing, as Nigeria being, we don't pass all this level where these people go, they draw us as things say, now them get us. You see, for these ministerialists, people like Fayemi, Fayose, as in people like Fayemi, Fashola, and Rotimi Amaechi, what thing they do for all these things? We don't hear saying that these people, they corrupt. There was a time where they bring ministerialists saying that these people were, as in, lead for corruption, saying that these people where they want to investigate. Then close that chapter. Now they bring ministerialists now. Now the same name we see they found inside ministerialists for Nigeria. And they talk, say, Oga Buhari talk, say, he won't fight corruption. I think with these people where Oga Buhari they show, I don't think there is any hope for us.
Oga Olayinka.
As in, yes?
Hear this question. The problem when you get with some people when they the list, now because of say corruption they tied to their name or they're not good to do the job. Now important question when we go like make you answer for where you dey and make you come back to educate Nigerians because all of us get the right to talk our own. Very important talk na me raise so. And one of our ogbonge callers when we say everywhere, social media, Facebook, Twitter, they always they follow us bumper to bumper. In don't call now. Oga Okay from Calabar. Oga Okay, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkuvi.
We don't miss your voice, so.
I don't miss you now. So I don't even know the thing that bites me. Even when I try to call the network, the line just they come. Say one day I will reach you now. So I'm happy to call online today.
Yeah. Will you right on?
Okay. Make I throw away my small contribution. You know, say I know they like to talk plenty, but now the one of yesterday, I tried to call yesterday, but I don't feel rich.
Okay.
The ministerial list.
Okay.
My brother, if we talk to one fight corruption, look, we come on, I fight that corruption. Number one, we say our youth, they're corrupt. Now. Because that list, I know see person, we see they under 30. That list, I know see person we never get one big post for Nigeria before. All of them are old cargoes. Now them. This one, another story, they want to tell us again. Why is this so? Where are we moving to? I know one call name, I don't mention anybody's name for that list.
No, of course, since the name don't they out already, don't they out.
But I don't want to mention name because I respect people. And if you give respect, you get respect. So, if I begin to mention name, it will be like how they insult people. No.
Okay.
But if our president really truly wants to fight corruption, make him amend that list. Make him find those who they're hungry to deliver this country. Who they're hungry to lead this country to the promised land. People who will go work without having a selfish interest, without having their personal interest.
Interim, yes.
I'm telling you nothing but the truth, but anything short of that, this country, we are not going anywhere. And I pray that good Lord will lead us to somewhere because it's hard time for us to do what? Put our minds together and lift our Nigeria to the greater heights. God bless you now.
Okay. In fact, thank you very, very much for this contribution where you just raised. Now, see, make God do it. The president make you look into that list again, X-ray and where to know whether some people need supposed to be there. But that also brings me to the issue of the Senate. Because if you don't bring a list, you still need to also balance up the equations. So, okay, this name we don't see them. Make we also play at our own role. Make we know who and who fit into this ministerial list. May we also collect this call from Oga Aliyu. Oga Aliyu, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Oga Aliyu.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Aliyu, I greet you.
How are they?
We they fine.
Bila say they know they write my name well. My name na Saliu.
Oh, Saliu. Solio.
How na dey?
They will correct her now.
Chukwudi.
Oga Solio, I dey greet you.
I want to tell you one thing. What did they talk about this youth? So, if we youth go there, we go worse past those people because our house not good with money. We go worse past them.
But who you go play for that kind of platform? Not be the same set of people who dey there. If they play their own role well, it is just say youth for no also follow up. Say okay, we don't learn from our elders. Make we also to do it. Make we follow that suit. Make we follow that footstep.
Who could be youth when I know, including myself when I talk to you, so including myself. We go worse past these people. I'm telling you, not be Nigeria. Make your phone, your asset where they use and make it fall. Person where they your back, you go pick and go offer and corrupt here. Oh, not be corruption. Then who they do? Now they Edalma they do and being at the youth they do. So all of us know good. But we just pray for good government. Maybe just these people now make them work. Fear about it go make them work. We could pray for them, make them work. Thank you.
Oga Saliu, thank you very, very much. And Chukwudi, if you go also look what Saliu talk, because there's some elements of truth there inside.
Very
that.
true.
Because and that the element of truth in the fact that a lot of crimes where they happen now, a lot of things where you get some kind of things where they happen for society. Once then they look, say who do them? Because it's now youth. You understand? So you have to also, the thing is now orientation and gradual rebranding and reprocessing. And go also bring us out of all these mess up way people did. We collect this call from Oga Idika. Idika, they call us from Aba. That is Allah Aba. Good morning, Oga Idika.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Oga Chuku.
We dey greet you, Oga Idika.
I agree to. In our program, they do well for us here. They inform us very, very well. Everybody for Aba here, they inform.
Thank
you.
You.
Know what they happen for Obodo, Nigeria.
Thank you, sir.
He gave within our Obongo Victor talk the last time we come. He say every nyash get shit inside.
Oga Victor, yes.
If you look well, this ministerial no get problem with them. But to fight corruption, now waiting we go tell bit by bit. We go they do them one by one. Small these bad people, bad water go come out for Nigerian government. If Oga Muhammad Buhari won't begin fight like Nigeria, won't make the fight and begin they pursue everybody come out from ministerial. Who go now? Because everybody for Nigerian politics get issue. The truth. But my problem for that is they say, maybe they begin they carry the youth along. Make I tell you one thing, see, for life, if you no take care of the youth, if you no begin to groom people who go take up this position, it go come in time where they say nobody go represent, nobody go come be now. Any bad person where they for this life, now bad person will miss them somewhere when they grow up. Like you be now the bad evil thing where you and Okubi don't learn. Now don't learn them already. Nobody when you reach 50 or 100. If now where with your papa go begin to tell us, see us go take carry they do this, then we go learn. Person we won't teach him picking how to farm. Go begin the carry and go farm. No be after you don't go do everything finish. You go come carry on.
Yes.
Make you come there. You go come tell us no sabi do one. So many don't tell us say they watch TV, say we they carry woman go sleep. Now lie. Everybody come out vote that day. Yesterday people vex because of say people, but anyways actually they talk on Nigeria on our own, go spoil.
Yes.
We go put our own country. So people get different views. But the truth is that we need to be carried along in this country because without us, we could drive this economy. Thank you very much.
Oga Idika, thank you very, very much.
Oga Idika don make plenty sense.
As it dey hot now, platform will go give you that lever to talk wetin dey your mind. And Oga Idika don't talk in own. Say, make them do it, make them carry the youths along. We get Oga Victor all the way from Zamfara. Oga Victor, don't take small. Good morning.
Good morning. You don't say anyway. But the time, see me say, I'd always try to call, but it's not entering. Sometimes I will call and it will enter, but I will not be connected. I think sometime this week, my call entered 3 times, but I was not connected. So that is it. One thing where I want to talk, the first one, make I begin with 70 million, where they say Buhari approved, and people they clap hands.
Yes.
So that clapping hand, I don't know what they spend that 70 million for. Not only one cake where I see there where they cut that day, and the soldiers will do parade. So if, as this administration say they fight corruption, and we have freedom of information, make they itemize what they carry 70 million do. Then we will know wetin they do, and we go follow clap hand.
Okay.
Aerofy, they talk say Jonas spend billion for the same Independence Day. But we see say within that period, now 58th Nigerian Golden Jubilee celebration and uncountable heads of state came. We also celebrated our 100 years of nationhood. So many people came. Do you understand? I know they say make I suppose say he mismanaged money. No. But the fact they say these are occasions that involved people throughout the whole world and money go there involved. So this one, na low-key occasion and only one cake they cut. That cake, na 70 million. That one, they apart. For a ministerial list anyway, in fact, it's a shame. It's a shame, say, na this kind of people we carry bring after 4 months. By the end of the day, waiting I won't talk, you don't bring the list, you don't bring them. But na Senate now, na then go do this job. Because when this man, when Jonah appointed man for Lagos, APC senators, they walked out from the house, say the man did case for court, say they corrupt. They no agree, screen them. But finally the man came through because PDP get majority for house as at that time. So in the same vein, all these people we get Gbege, we know them, Amechi, Fashola, and all of them, we get Gbege. Whether they don't prove their case, so they never prove their case. As they treat that man from Lagos, say he gets Gbege, even as courts never even condemn him. They say he gets Gbege, they no agree. So all these people will get Gbege, where they push them aside. Now waiting they or do for Senate. And lastly, the issue say they no appoint a youth. The other person say youth no votes Buhari they sleep for with their girls when the election they happen. The other person say youth they corrupt. Now him they corrupt. So all these people, all these old men, they started when they were 20-something and something.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So that time they know they corrupt. Anything where the youth learn today, now watching those elders teach them. I watch a program for our TV where they talk the summary of the whole fact. They say those House of Assembly men will climb fence, enter
National Assembly
chamber. That one no be offense. Then school students will climb fence, enter class. They expel them.
That one said no be offense.
So anything where youth do now, waiting
they don't learn from somebody.
And I want to tell you that youths are more sincere in whatever they do. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Victor, for that breakdown and analysis. You carry us go back to when we discuss about the amount where Oga Buhari spent for this thing, for anniversary, and down to the issue of youth. We get Oga Success all the way from Ajah. Good morning, Success. Success, you still there?
Oga Success. It be like say the network no agree make Oga Success contribute for inside the matter.
Make it try call us back.
Very true. It is very, very heartwarming. Say, we get plenty Nigerians when they speak on variety of issues with so much passion. Even though we don't get ministerial lists, people still they come, they talk, say, okay, the composition of this list, some of the issues when they are tied to some people name for inside this list, the youths for this list, and the likes of them. So we go like encourage, make Nigerians continue. I mean, every little way when we feel learn, make we dey learn, so that nobody go just come do abracadabra for our front. Say make we keep quiet. Or one person go come talk say, he be old man. Say you be small pikin. You no suppose contribute for this kind of matter. If we want begin to move this our country forward, all of us suppose to join hands together and move on forward. And I go like encourage Nigerians and say, with the one voice when there is a talk on all this political issue, make we join and talk about this case of these headsmen. I don't want to use Fulani headsmen because in truth, if you check by the way when they dress, the way when they behave, sometimes the language when they speak, we go fit trace to maybe Fulani people. But like what in the Fulani Association talk, some people they take advantage of bad situation to use enrich themselves. I dey very, very sure say no be only Fulani headsmen go they do this kind of. Some people just look say, it be like say this thing easy to do. They go just carry gun.
And for that reason.
Oga Obiora when call us from Yola been talk about. I don't know whether na Oga Obiora but somebody.
Oga Polycarp
from Enugu been talk about. Say they don't see some of them they carry guns. You go begin the wonder say, who give them the license to they carry firearms?
Okay, now Oga Obiora talk that.
Oga Obiora, who give them the license to they carry firearms? You know some of all these things. Now if we don't begin to address them now. We go reach one level where we say things go out. Make we hear from Oga John all the way from Bauchi. Oga John, good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you now? How today?
We dey fine, Oga John.
This thing when I dey discuss, that man wey come yesterday, wey talk say, you dey hear me?
Yeah, you right on.
That man wey talk say youth just sleep for house, they no vote Baba Buhari. When I get that man from?
Forget that one. Now, guess. Everybody they get your own opinion. If you get it to what talk, Oga John, will they hear you?
And apart from that and again, I make now remember, see, Baba Buhari.
Oga John, will they hear you? Right on.
Not so. This ministerial list where Baba Buhari put, to me, all the people who did that list, he's supposed to come out them. Make him come out them. Make him bring the change where Nigeria wants. As for me, Baba Buhari don't feel us. If now this list go come out for the past 4 months, all they wait for, it better as the day where they swear them in. Make him just put them for side, them to me, they just swear them in. If now this list will go, they wait for. You understand? For us to stay up to 4 months, they can't bring this list. To me, you know, follow. You understand?
Well,
to major Nigerians, man, still, you know, follow. So, the change where we want, seriously, will be robbed of that change. You understand? The mistake where PDP and Jonathan administration don't do, everybody don't tire with them. All everything we want, now change. And this change, Nigerians came out of, nobody put religion inside, nobody put ethnicity inside. Everybody want to make this thing better because if it better now for ourselves. Anything where we say is good for this land, now for us. Nobody will come enjoy them. Now us go enjoy them. So for us now, why they tell us saying they put people where we say they be 60-something, 70-something for minister. You know, follow. Okay. You understand? These people, they don't serve before. Waiting they don't give before we think now they won't give. Put people, they are Nigerians out there. They are crazy. People who say they go even serve, they don't go collect salary. They get there. They have the passion to move this country forward. Understand? Now the thing they talk with that.
Oga John. In fact, are they inspired by what you don't talk now? I mean, that urge for us to be actively involved in any government they do, at least now waiting with the call for, and now waiting would also seek for make we do it, make we come together, also join hand in the system. We get Oga Michael all the way from Yaba. Good morning, Oga Michael.
Mr. Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Good morning.
We don't miss you small, though.
I don't dey try, but sometimes they go.
Okay.
Thank you. Say you continue to try.
The thing where I want to contribute for this matter be say, you see, I know say in life nobody is a paragon of encyclopedia of perfection. It cannot become an island. You know, in a context like this, we disagree in order for we to agree.
To agree, yes.
You understand? A person cannot say everything they do, they right, and everything other person they do, they wrong.
They're wrong, yeah.
You know, in a case like that, everybody has his own opinion to air out, and we talk, and we will deliberate, we will see, we will diagnose and see whether this person they talk, they right, or what this person they talk, they wrong. Like for me, I don't say we Nigerians will feel they disappointed small, like say youth will be seen and then be the vibrant of the country will be say even advocate for the change. You know, they don't get somebody to represent them in this particular cabinet. You know, everybody will feel concerned because the population of the youth for the country out of the 170 or 160 million Nigerians, you know, the population of the youth are more than even the older ones, but at least the youth supposed to have a voice. But in the contrary, what I go talk, they say people they say why the president take 4 months before he can go to appoint minister and say the current minister where he appoint now similar na familiar people they say they want to be around for a very long period of time. But more people don't forget, when this president, they taking time to appoint this minister, there is a work what they say they do for those ministries where they will go ahead. Because that ministry will be saying they work on. I believe so strongly in a reform in they do.
For the ministries itself.
He tried to reform those particular ministries so that when those ministers come, you know, they go work on the thing where you don't build down keep. Because if supposing you appoint, just say, okay, ministers come, Mokuna come, occupy the particular post, just like say the previous they run on. Now so they go continue them again. Like now this single account and also some certain kind of reform we say they don't do. We say the media never let us know or they never get access to go and confirm the reform, the kind of reform they don't do for those ministries. So let us know. You know, let's assume now, if supposing the reform we say don't do for that particular ministry, minister will come, you know, go get access to any account, to sign any account, to award any contract. They want to say, it's just like to supervise and guide.
Yes.
You understand? So, for me, those ministers we appoint to, I don't get any issue with them, but Moko just reward them. Moko see how something to go full for
Oga Michael, in fact,
ministerial appointment, just something appointment, we say they can change you tomorrow, they can change you next tomorrow.
That's why they call them appointment. Oga Michael, thank you very much for this contribution where you carry put for inside this matter. Quickly, we go rush, enter break. When we go to break, come back, we enter the final portion of Aside Hot, discuss am until we reach the final bus stop. When they come back, no go anywhere. Now still Wazobia TV.
Yes, welcome back. The program now Aside Hot, and then we give now their Sepo edition where we go give now all the stories we do it we make the week. And majorly the stories we make this week now the story of the ministerial list, and we will also sunshine with the issue of the senators as the guideline where they don't set up where they will take screen ministers. We will also give now the issue of Oga Edwin Clark. We need to talk about the government of Oga Jonah. Come from there, carry and enter up Madam Diziani and the Gbege way she they face right now. And finally, come give now the Fulani headsmen. We do it. We go revisit Oga Olufalaye's farm. And right about now, we get another caller on the line. We get Tokpe on the line. Good morning, Tokpe. Calling us from Ikorodu.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Tokpe, I greet you.
In fact, I always there now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
But for this country, now you know go spoil.
Yes, so.
But wait till I go first talk, say I go begin they call Nigeria name. Nigeria. We no be patient at all. Now we say make this man come be our president. As he say he get the passion to rule us for this country. Now every of his own steps, we believe say he go fit take the way this country go better. Now he don't take so. For these people where he appoint, make we leave these people alone. Let's focus on person where he won't appoint them. Because now you we believe on, we don't believe on people where he appoint. But if for you where he appoint them, now we Nigerian believe on. Because now the belief where we believe Jonathan, then where we will vote for him. But at the end of the day, as a follower, then we change our own position to him. Now Buhari don't come. Now we call him. Now we fight because now we vote for him. Because now before I say I no go vote for this country again. But as for now, we say we Nigeria don't decide for our own. Say we will do anything with our card. If Buhari, as we call and say make him come, he don't do there. If we say he fall our then we change them again. That will not be a problem. Because I know one situation will be saying we Nigeria, any small thing will go begin to criticize. Make we be focused. The belief where we get on them. Make we wait, make we see how they go perform for that area. For this Alice Madeke issue, I thank God say this issue now all of us they are alive now. We can't witness them again. They think they come down. Because that time when they say $20 billion, they say a lie. Nothing like that. Even for Watobia Radio then, where Mr. Yo, they do program, and they listen to that man, and Madam Lolo, they talk of this issue every day. They go say, where campus, don't come up for office. We go, they laugh. Now we know where the money, now we go know say the money makes true. The money
but the investigation still they very much on, so we could still assume say
I thank God say these people will come back to this case, not be Nigeria, not be we Nigeria. If now we Nigeria now we go cover them. But now people from another country now then come back to this issue now. Call they talk and say true this money loss. But let's see how they go finally talk about the money, and I know that they go recover the money back because I know that the money lost and the money they where they keep them, they go still bring it back to us.
Thank you very much, Oga Tokpe. we don't get your opinion, then I beg, continue to tell your people for Ikorodu, say make they do it, make them they watch us in the hot. We got Olayinka all the way from Ekiti. Good morning, Olayinka. They call us back
morning.
anyway.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Olayinka. Welcome back.
I thank God say I was able to call you people back.
Thank you.
So waiting I want you come out for now that ministerial list.
Okay.
You see, for that ministerial list, let me start from the corruption list where they first put for us. Say make we chook mouth for. For that time where you bring corruption list, you know say when you dey list and say these people they among corrupt people like Rotimi Amechi get case with corruption. Fashola for Lagos, he get case with corruption. Now that same name you can't see for ministerial nomination list. For me, it be like say these people, you know, say they be NPC. Let's forget say party or no party. They be the same thing. So as then they do this thing, one call accord that time, he talk say the thing are compensation. I agree with him.
Okay, Olayinka, thank you very, very much. We appreciate all the people where we say take their credit, call us to contribute for on top of this matter. We talk, say God go bless you now. Una no go tire. As we dey talk all the issues wey concern Nigeria, we go expect all of una to dey talk so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. This week don dey very, very explosive. We go lock shop, carry key go, but our ear go still dey ground so that all the action to read them, all gonge things wey happen for news for this weekend, we go carry and come give una again on Monday. Until we come back next week with all the tori dem wey dey comot smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement. Nkubi.
Yes, from me, Nkubi. Till next week. Now, bye-bye.
Go church on Sunday. Oh. Go church on Sunday. Go church on Sunday. They tell them bye-bye. You don't go church.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.